intro now available on iTunes and Google Play. Alright you guys, that was the first day back from quarantine. I don't even know what I'm gonna call this whole event, but this is the quarantine back from recovery of the quarantine of the, you get what I'm saying, okay? So let's see what the next day brings. Alright YouTube, another day with one of the clients that's kind of hurting right now for a haircut. Listen, did y'all see how he looked at me? He looking at me like,
easy now. Don't put me on camera right now. I'm looking kind of rough. What are you doing? Like, you didn't even warn me about this.
Which I didn't. I'm sorry. Okay? But Jordan, you look at me like that one more time. You know what I do. Okay? You know what I do. Let's get back into it. We're about to change his life. It's been too long. Alright you guys, we're done here. This is the final result. Clean. Brought him back. Don't look homeless anymore. You eating? Not eating. Come on. Alright you guys, so let's talk about it, alright? The reason why he's saying I'm not eating, listen, there was a movie that I watched that is called Platform, and I'm gonna play the trailer, just a little bit of it right now.
There are three kinds of people. The ones above, the ones below, and the ones who fall.
Alright, so guys, that was a movie where it's levels to it, you know what I mean? The top level get the fresh food, and as it goes down, you know what I mean? Everybody starts eating and doing whatever and just not really caring about the food, and they just eating. And when you get down to that last level, you barely got some food, right? So on the 100 and the 200 level, you basically have to eat the other person that you're sitting across, right? That's the gist of the movie. And what we were talking about, me and my cousin Taylor, he was just saying that if he wasn't on the first level or the second level and people were rummaging through it, he not eating. And I was telling him, I was trying to tell him, listen, you eating, okay? You gonna eat, because if that's all you hungry, it don't matter if they stepping on the food and spitting on it.
What?
Okay, you gonna eat.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Okay? And that's just the point that I was just trying to make. Okay?
Boy, if you don't...
All right. Alright you guys, day three. I know I didn't record much day 2, but wasn't really too much to record. So my client is waiting outside. I gotta go pick him up. He's actually right there. Alright, I'll tell him to come in and we're gonna film the cut. Huh? How about that? Catch me outside. How about that? Alright.
HustleDreamProduction.
twice. I'm going for it, all. Let me see it. Too late, darling. Connect whenever you. That's cool. Do you? Okay. Most of them are alright. You put on the good.
Alright, you guys, listen. One of our, I would say, favorite clients is coming in right now, alright? And the thing about it is, we gonna check Justin today, okay? So when he come in, we basically harass him, okay? Oh, where I put it, Uncle Kev? Excuse me, sir. Wait a minute. Before you come in, hold it now. Come closer now. Come closer now.
I've been sitting in the sun.
Let me see.
I've been sitting in the sun.
Let me see. Let me see. 98.
Coronavirus!
Uncle Kev. 98. What you say?
The only reason why I'm that high
Hey.
is because I ain't had a shave or a cut. My COVID makeover.
I'm ready for you, sir. I'm ready.
What's up? I'm good.
Wow. Justin, wow.
George,
Never
sir?
would have
How you
seen.
doing?
I've never seen Justin like this.
No one has.
Never in the history.
But see, that's my dedication to 360 G's, you know what I'm saying? I've had offers and I was like, nah. Nah. People on the
my
street were like,
goodness.
"You look bad." Like, nah, there's my man. I'm gonna wait this out. I was just hoping. Man, I never thought I'd hear it quicker again. You know the crazy part? So then they closed like the salaries and stuff, and they tried to get me cause my T-liners broke.
Yeah.
Right? I couldn't order them. They said the order like to deliver was like July or something crazy or late June. This is in the very beginning. I was like, yo, I'm stuck out here.
HustleDreamProduction.
Nobody wants to knows what he has on his feet.
I mean, I don't
Jared,
know.
I
Do
seen
you
the
not
emblem.
know what
I
Stin
seen
has
the-
on his feet?
I seen the emblem on the side of his shoe. Okay?
This man here, he has something powerful on his feet. You don't know what he has on his feet? Okay, alright, okay. I'm not willing to show you guys yet. But Stin, explain yourself. Explain yourself.
Look, these are just Game Royal ones, okay? He lied! It just has a fancy stamp on the back heel.
Listen, he's lying. It's lying. I need everybody to see this right here. Now they may look just. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
For those that don't know, this is like a mix of the Black Toe and the Royal Air Jordan 1, and it is the remastered. You can feel it just by touching the leather. The leather definitely has a different feel to it.
The heat. You said Pete the Pants? Okay, okay. Sponsored by Richie Lee Collections. Okay. And the shirt, right? I got that shirt.
No, this ain't the shirt.
Okay, all right.
The shirt.
My shirt looks similar. I'm just saying. I was looking for the tag on the back.
I need the shirt.
Oh, man.
HustleDreamProduction.
Kings.
Listen, all right, being back to work, you don't understand how happy I am right now, okay? Aren't you happy? For real? Prince, you gonna do me like that all
I mean, not to cut you off, nothing like that, but while you over here going to work and everything, I'm over here stuck at the house. You know what I mean? I mean, shoot, man, I'm kind of mad at you right now, but I ain't even about to do you like that, man. You know what? As long as you give me a treat, I'll sit up there with you.
Come on now. You gonna do it? Okay, all right. Listen, being back to work, man, it's the best feeling ever, man. Being stuck in the house is no joke, all right? So I'm appreciative. You know what I mean? Just, you want to come down? You want to be in? You want to be in on this? You want to be on this too? Okay, all right. We all scooting over. Okay, all right. Pop a squat. Okay. Listen, are you done being in the house all day?
Yes.
We're done being in the house all day, all right?
I want to go back to school and play with my friends.
She wants to go back to school and play with her friends. What else?
I know some people don't want to go back to school because they don't like it.
Yeah. We're one to be working, okay? We don't play no games. Hard work, dedication, motivation, consistency, the will to keep going when the going gets tough and the tough gets going. Tatiana, what are you supposed to do?
What am I supposed to do? What?
It's your boy 360 Jeezy. I'm out.